Welcome back in the kitchen, guys. Please stay with me to the end and you will see what I am making today. Enjoy. This is so tasty and nice. You must try this. Alright, let's get started. Here I have half cup of split peas that I did wash and soak for 4 hours, and I washed and strained all the water away from the split peas. I also have some flour, some yeast, some salt, turmeric, and some hot pepper sauce. The pepper sauce is optional. I also have some grated garlic. Now into the food processor, I'm going to place the split peas and the garlic. Using the pulse method, you will end up with a wet paste. Just make sure at intervals you just keep turning it so that all the peas are going to be crushed away, alright? Now this is what it looks like. Now that this is finished, I'm going to place it into the mixing bowl. This is what it looks like, guys. Now I'm going to add the salt, the pepper, and the turmeric. And the turmeric is going to give this mixture a very nice yellow color. I'm mixing it well so that everything will be evenly combined. Now I'm going to add the flour and the yeast. I'm also going to be using 1 cup of warm water, and this is going to help the yeast to rise faster. Now after mixing to a point, I like to go in with my hands just so that I would give the mixture a good mixing, and also I like to feel the texture of the mixture that I'm going to be using. Here I'm grating some garlic, and I did place a pan with some cumin seeds, and when they get brown, I just crush them until they turn into a powdered form. Now I have a pan here with 1 cup of water, and I did add some tamarind that I made some syrup with. And I had this tamarind for quite a while, guys, so I just had to go in and get some. And I'm adding it into this pan with some garlic, also a piece of pepper. And you can leave the pepper out if you don't like anything that is too spicy. Here I'm also adding some salt, some sugar, and also I'm going to be adding the ground cumin. Give it a good stir and let it boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, set it aside and let it cool. And this has been boiling for 5 minutes just so that the garlic would be well cooked. Now I have a pan with some oil over medium heat, and once the oil gets hot, I did place some oil into my hand, and then I'm going to pick up the mixture now and do the hand drop style, guys. Don't you try this. If you can't do it, just don't get burned. Use a spoon. The mixture comes off of your hand quite easily because of the oil, and you're going to keep turning this Pholourie quite often. Let it cook for 4 minutes. When it's golden brown, remove them and place them into a container with paper towel. Repeat the same process, guys, making sure that the Pholourie is well tossed around for 4 minutes, and then you remove them from the oil again. And don't you forget to check the description box below. And if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and also press the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video. Now I'm removing the pholourie from this oil. This is my last batch here. Now I'm going to be straining the tamarind just so that I can serve it with the pholourie. I did add a piece of pepper and that is optional. And guys, this is my finished product. Please do enjoy and thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. I will see you in my next video. See you soon.